Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record on BandLab. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is make sure we've got our microphone connected to our PC or laptop. Once you've done that, head on over to bandlab.com. From here, make sure to sign in or create an account. Once you've done that, we want to click onto where it says that create button next to your account. So click on create and we can click on new project or song starter. So you can generate an idea with AI or create an empty project. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to click on new project. Now this should take me over to the studio like so. Then from here, I'm just going to click out of this. Now, to make sure your microphone is connected to this website too, so click on the little filter button or site information tab here next to bandlab.com, and where it says microphone, make sure that is enabled, and also click into it where it says microphone allowed, make sure that is enabled too, and allow on every visit. So it just makes it easier when you come to BandLab and knowing your microphone's connected. It should automatically do this, but just make sure that setting is on. Now from here on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click on add track. Now we can add a few different ones, but for this demonstration I'm just going to do voice and audio. Now from here, we're inside of here. Now I want to click on that red start recording button. Now it's got a bit of a delay, and then as you can see, I'm recording inside of BandLab. Now to stop, just click on the stop button.